Stop losing potential tenants. In today's competitive rental market, it's crucial to stand out. Traditional amenities are no longer enough to attract discerning renters. Start attracting them with these smart home upgrades. These features not only make your property more appealing, but also add value and convenience for your tenants. Your property will thank you. First up, smart thermostats. These devices are a game changer for both landlords and tenants. They save energy and money, and tenants love the convenience of controlling the temperature from their phones. Imagine being able to adjust the heating or cooling before you even get home. Next, smart locks. Forget about lost keys. Smart locks offer keyless entry, boosting security and making life easier for everyone. No more worrying about tenants losing keys or getting locked out. Plus, you can easily manage access for maintenance or cleaning services. Third, smart lighting. Tenants can set the mood with customizable lighting. Whether they want a bright workspace or a cozy ambiance, smart lighting can do it all. Plus, it's energy efficient and can be controlled remotely. This means tenants can turn off lights they forgot about, even when they're not home. Fourth, smart security systems. Tenants feel safer with video doorbells and surveillance cameras. These systems provide real-time alerts and footage, giving tenants peace of mind whether they are at home or away. Peace of mind is a huge selling point. Knowing that their home is secure can be a deciding factor for many renters. Fifth, smart plugs and outlets. These nifty gadgets let tenants control appliances with their voice or phone. Talk about convenience. Imagine turning on the coffee maker from bed or ensuring all devices are off with a single command. Smart plugs and outlets are not just about convenience. They also help in reducing energy consumption by allowing tenants to monitor and control their usage. Sixth, smart water leak detectors. Protect your property from water damage. These detectors can alert tenants and landlords to potential leaks before they become major issues. Tenants appreciate the added layer of security, and you avoid costly repairs. Early detection can save thousands in repair costs and prevent significant damage to your property. Tenants feel reassured knowing that their home is protected from potential water damage. Finally, smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Tenants want to feel safe, and these smart detectors send alerts straight to their phones. In case of an emergency, immediate alerts can be life-saving. These detectors provide an extra layer of safety, ensuring that tenants are always aware of any potential dangers. So, there you have it. These smart home features not only enhance the living experience for your tenants, but also make your property more attractive in a competitive market. Upgrade your rental with these smart home features and watch your tenant appeal skyrocket. Happy upgrading! Investing in these technologies can lead to higher tenant satisfaction, longer lease agreements, and ultimately, a more profitable rental property.